How to convert friends to followers on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of friends. Now click on the option of your friends. In this page you're going to find your friend list. Now how can you convert your friends to followers? For that you will need to head towards the menu page. Then click on your profile picture. You will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner of your profile page, you will find three dots. Click on it. You will land to the profile settings page. Now you will need to convert your Facebook account to the professional account. So click on this option, turn on professional mode. Click on turn on. With that, you have successfully converted your account to the professional mode. Finish setting up your profile. You have to complete these activities and with that you will be good to go. And now you have just converted your friends to followers on Facebook. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.